Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Spigen GlasTR EZ FIT Pro screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The EZ FIT screen protectors are becoming one of my favorite screen protectors to use, so I decided to go to Amazon and pick this up and try it out for y'all. Now, for some reason, they have this humongous box for the screen protector. The screen, I mean, look at it. It is humongous. But it does come with two different packs in there, so each one has the big installation guide on there, so that's why the box is probably so big. The GlasTR screen protector is easy to install. It fits great. It protects your beautiful your covered display. So I want to protect it. I usually don't do one for the inside, so I don't like messing with that, so I don't never usually do that. But I want to protect that covered display on here, so I will be rocking this one for a while. I do have couple other ones. I reviewed the Rinky one, which y'all probably seen already, and then I probably reviewed a couple other screen protectors just for the heck of it. Like I said, you can get this from Amazon. I will have the links in the description, but I'm gonna try to install this on camera, try to make it as quick as possible, and see if I can get it all on camera though. But this is a big box, y'all. Let's see. I'm gonna try to go from the bottom, and let's see what you get in this box. Yeah, look, they put two in there. So you have one, then you have your second one. So what I normally do is save it. I mean, put this back in the box, save it in case you crack it or something. But it says pull the film in the right direction. It gives you instructions. Pretty simple. So again, the first thing you want to do, as always, is turn off your phone. Always turn off the covered display. It gives you even more instructions here. It says made simple. So we're gonna see how simple it is. They give you the full thing here, so then you have some wipes in here too. So you get two of everything. So that is off. Like you normally want to do is wipe off your phone. Again, I say this in almost every installation video. If you can do this at nighttime, do it somewhere right before bed. Do it somewhere where it is less dusty at. Makes it installation a lot easier. Bam. You do the normal process. Clean it, wipe it, and then you're going to do a little dust remover. I like doing a big one though. It's a big display, so. But the reason why you want to do it at nighttime, you let it sit there and settle overnight. If you have any bubbles, they will disappear. And that way you don't have to touch it. You don't have to worry about putting a case. Just let it adhere to the screen itself. And it just works out better that way. When we review these screen protectors, for YouTube, we don't really have that privilege, I should say. So it tells you which one is top. So that's the top. You just kind of want to lay that down like this. Lay it in there good. And when it's in there, you kind of just pull this off slowly. Then you want to press and slide. You can watch it just move around. And then just slowly peel it off. And then bam, you have your screen protector. Again, if you have little bubbles, it will come out. But this one actually doesn't have any. And I got it out. How easy have they made the screen protection installation? And again, with the same thing with the other one I reviewed earlier, it does not go all the way around. And the reason is it wants to be friendly with their cases, so that way if you put on a case, like simple like this again, like I did in my other video. Let's put it all the way in there so we can show it off. So it plays friendly with the cases. So when you put a case on there, it has a full screen protection there for you. They don't want to make it all the way across because then the cases won't fit properly. So that's why when you take this off, let's take this case off. And I mean, if that bugs you, then I understand. You may look for a different screen protector, but a lot of them will just come the way it is. And then I think the installation was easy. I think this will do a great job protecting your outer display or your covered display on there. So again, installation wasn't bad. If you want to pick this up, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.